Choosing the right broker shouldn't be a rushed decision, because this is actually where your money is going to live. And in this video, I'm going to be comparing two of the biggest brokers in 2026, ADN Broker versus InvidiaTrade. We are going to be breaking down the spread, the leverage, and the withdrawals, and just the overall experience. So make sure you stay tuned until the end of this video so you can actually see, because one of these two brokers stand out. Without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm now on the official website of the ADN Broker. I'll leave the link down in the description of this video so you can actually go and you can check them out for yourself. So this is the broker that will connect you directly to the market, and it will actually give you the opportunity to trade commodities, stocks, EFTs, crypto, and indices. So they have a pretty wide variety of options for you to trade, and they are a more traditional structured broker. So this means that they will be more beginner friendly. They will be easier to use with less confusion. So if you're a beginner, I would highly recommend. But if you're an advanced trader and you already know what you're doing, I would say that you might have some problems because they don't have the most advanced features and the most advanced tools for 2026. And if we scroll down here, you can see that they have a good review on Trustpilot, a 4.5. If you want to grow your social media and build your personal brand, monetize it, I have the solution for you. So recently, smmgold.io reached out to us, and they are the sponsors of today's video. So smmgold.io will help you grow your social media by providing services on all of the different social media platforms you can imagine, such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, literally everything. They provide services where they will help you to grow your social media. So you can buy likes, buy followers, where you can break the algorithm, break free, and grow your personal brand and start to monetize it. So if you're interested, the link will be in the description below. So let's continue with the video. And you'll see that they have first class institutional liquidity, 24/7 hour support, plus 200 instruments, and the leverage there is 1 to 100. They also have ultra fast executions and low spreads. So I would say when it comes to the spread and the leverage of ADN, I would say that they are pretty average. I wouldn't say that they're that competitive in the market of 2026. You can definitely find better out there. Okay guys, so we can scroll down their website and you can go and have a look for yourself. As you can see, they are on the MT5, so MetaTrader 5, they're using it. So this means that you will have a better experience, just faster executions, faster deposits, withdrawals, and you'll just have a smoother experience overall. They also have a social trading aspect where you can copy and share strategies with expert traders, and they also have a IB affiliate program, so you can see some real-time quotation tables right here, and you can go and read up a little bit more for yourself. So I would say that this is a good shout if you're a beginner trader. But let's move on to InvidiaTrade and we'll go and check them out. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm now on the official website of InvidiaTrade. So if you want to go and check them out, please click the link. It will be in the description of this video. And this is where you'll be able to trade the global markets as well. And they are a bit more transparent. And I would say that they definitely give me a bit more confidence whether you are a beginner trader or an advanced trader. And they have multiple different things going for them. But before we talk about all of that, they also give you the option to trade commodities, stocks, ETFs, indices, and even crypto. So they also have everything you will need. And if I scroll down here, you will see that they have a mobile app available. So for someone who likes to travel and who likes to trade on their phone, this is a pretty cool feature that they have. And it's not a complicated app, so you'll be able to figure out pretty easy whether you're a beginner or an advanced trader. If I scroll down, you can also see that they are very open and transparent about the different accounts, the commission they take, the leverage, and the spreads. So you'll get 3 different accounts, the mini, the ECN, and the VIP, and they say the leverage is 1 to 500, which is better than the ADN Broker. And you can get a typical spread of 1 pips or 0.8 pips depending on the account you use. And they also tell you exactly how much commission per lot they take and exactly what you'll be able to trade. So they even have metals as well, which is a pretty cool thing because not all brokers have that in 2026. If I scroll a little bit down, you can see that they also have an account where they will take no commission. You'll still get a very good leverage and a typical spread of 1.2 pips, which is really, really good. And then the thing that really stands out for me is that they have both the app on mobile and on the desktop and a web trader feature. So this is great for someone who likes to travel like myself. I want to just be able to log into a device and then be able to trade. This is honestly a game changer. Then the way you can actually access your funds or fund your trading is through debit or credit cards, crypto, and then a bank transfer as well. So that is something I was looking for when I was looking for a broker. It is transparency and the easiness of getting funds in and out of your account. And they also have a very, very good execution speed. So if I had to go and I had to sum up InvidiaTrade versus the ADN Broker, I would definitely say that InvidiaTrade takes the win clearly, just because they have fast execution, better ways of actually transferring your funds. They have the web trader feature as well as a mobile and desktop app, which is a game changer, and they don't actually limit you whether you are a beginner trader or an advanced trader. Okay guys, that will be all for today's video. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.